Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an Ibanez pre-stage coming in for pro setup. This one also requires some deep cleaning, as you can see later on the fretboard. I think the oils on the fretboard actually got rancid and it starts being sticky. So I need to actually scrape it off and do a bit more deep cleaning for the fretboard itself. Turned out quite nicely. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay, so if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you need to contact me, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Take care and free Palestine!